the world's first AI exchange. I often get questions, are we white labeling somebody else? Are we a platform? We can't be the world's first AI exchange, and etc., etc. So I want to say to you, why is Cribex the world's first AI exchange? Cribex is the first AI exchange because it's an exchange that has its own bots embedded on it. So you don't have to import IP addresses and bots like you do on other exchanges. We're a full blast exchange, but we have our own bots embedded on the exchange. And that is why we are the first AI crypto exchange. Okay, we've got 6 pre-built strategy engines, which is bots, trading bots. These bots have been designed, developed, and refined in the previous big corporate industry where Dr. Cody worked. He and the team of engineers designed them, and they got them to the point where we have them now, where they are 90% successful. We say up to 85%, but those who has been in the system have seen they're just under or just above 90%. We have only released one of these 6 bots because each bot needs to have an expert trader watching it. It doesn't need it, but we put it in as an extra layer of safety and risk management. And we only released the one, which is currently the scalper. Okay, most of you in here know me. The long and the short is I'm a barefoot farm girl from Central South Africa. I moved into cryptocurrency in 2015. Prior to that, I did my first trading course when I was around about 30 in a Forex course from guys from Houston in Johannesburg. I never became a full blast trader. I'm an intermediate trader, and from the past 5-6 years, I haven't really traded, so I don't see myself as a trader. I mainly tell my story online of how my 4 incurable illnesses led me to searching for 100% passive income, and how I started searching for a tool to help myself and to help others, and especially in this market where everything is fake, all the rug pulls and everything that we've all been through. My mission is to try and save others to go through what I've gone through financially, mentally, time-wise, frustration-wise, and the psychological part, which is even worse than that. Our company leader, Issam, is a globally experienced strategist. You've seen his bio, you've heard about him. He has operated in elite environments such as Ferrari Formula One, and he studied for performance psychology, communication, and when the governance failed in Validus, he exited with integrity. Issam is also advised at the Australian Labor Party, and he's contributed to 2 successful elections. Sam and I have known each other for approximately 5 years or more from high-level coaching, which he's currently still in. And we are really blessed to have him with us. And as a person, I want you to know that Sam has donated his 1 kidney to a friend, and that Sam also would like to leave a legacy. And like Cody and I, and that's why it fits the profile, we want to leave something behind. We don't just want to make money, and that's all it's about. We want to impact lives, and long after we're gone, we still want people to be impacted by what we put together with Cribex and everything that's coming in the future. Okay, I've already said that there are 6 trading bots. They're built for different styles. Currently, the scalping is running, but there's a swing, an arbitrage, as well as a trend, hedge, and the sentinels. I'm not going to go into those details. Natalie always does it. It's in the documents, it's in the company profile, and it's all in all the other recordings. Okay, Algorithms adapt to the market's patterns all the time. They respond intelligently, and you will see that when the markets are really volatile, you often see there's no trade, and then everybody asks me, is the bot off? Is the bot off? The bot is literally preserving your capital, because in the last few weeks, those are who in trading and market and in the trading and crypto trading fields, you will know that traders have lost huge portfolios. And during those times, our bots were still making us profit. Okay, the fact that it's AI on a crypto exchange, with the first world's AI crypto exchange as mentioned, and because of the technology and everything we have, it ensures high speed and reliable trading, and because of the fast execution. The transparency and the performance. I think those of you who know us already knows that we try to show everything as real, as transparent, as honest, and as authentic as possible. That's one of the things that makes us different. Everything is managed from your single dashboard. And I want you to ask you, please have patience with us. There's a lot of changes that are slowly being incorporated, but we are designing it so that it can help you. At this stage, there are a lot of questions because you don't see, for instance, when is the 90 days finished? How much do you have that you can instantly withdraw? And today I want to say to you that it's coming. The team is working on it as we speak to make it as user-friendly for everybody as possible. We just need your patience. It was big changes that has to be done all of a sudden. Okay, because humans need to sleep, we're emotional, we have things like greed and fear. Our autonomous trading bots trades for us 24/7, 365, whether you are offline, online, emotional or not. And this ensures non-stop market activity for us and never missing a trading opportunity because it doesn't take downtime. As humans, unfortunately, we have to. When it comes to the investment, we've just lowered the 500 minimum to 200 because we want more people in the system and we might want to make it more accessible to people. Before I go into the rest of it, when it comes to accessibility, those who knows me, I've got a very soft spot for third world countries, for people who will never be able to do a $500 or even a $200. I want you to know that Crybex's minimum in deposit and withdrawal is $20. Now, in future, when somebody has deposited that $20, they will be able to use our copy trading to increase the $20 plus whatever they've put in, and they can increase that, and that can then grow into until they have enough to open their own account. I want people to know that it's not often said. I've asked that the next expert trader that we employ, that trader please be put on the copy trading so that everybody can participate. So when you signed up, you've got a 1 month free trial, a 30-day free trial. You put your auto renew toggle on, and then after the trial, it will automatically deduct that 29 flat rate for your bot fee from your profits. If the balance falls below, which is not going to happen because that's from the old system, your balance is not going to fall below the minimum because there's a 90-day lock-in staking period. I want you to know that after that 90-day, your investment is free for withdrawal or partially, or you can just reinvest it again if you just want to keep it growing. You can also add to that investment at any time, like in the past. Let's say you've invested on the 1st of February, you invested a $3,000, and then today you decide to add $1,000. That $1,000, for the $1,000, the 90 days will start today. Just that you know how it's going to work. Okay, we do not have a fixed ROI daily because we're not an investment platform. It is real trading. And because of our in-house bots and markets, the ROI, your trading profits, is determined by the markets. Your trading profits per month varies between 10 and 25%, we say, to safeguard the company. We have never seen a 10%, but we have seen a 40+%. Then we want you to know, despite the fact that you have a 90-day stacking period on your investment, that all your profits, your trading profits, your partner commissions, and your rewards are instantly withdrawable. Now, when it comes to that on the dashboard as well, currently it's not clear exactly how to do it because it's in development. There's going to be a button. You're going to know exactly how much you're going to have. You're going to be able to withdraw your instant withdrawals. At this stage, I'm asking you to please be very careful because if you go into your investment, there's no warning that tells you you are trying to withdraw investment. And then it automatically, because the system is already created, it's going to automatically deduct 28%. And then you're going to be very angry with me. But please be careful. Make sure that you only withdraw trading profits and your own commissions. And if you have rewards, that's also instantly withdrawable. I'm going to go back to this slide right at the end in summary. I don't want to do that now. I'm going to skip this slide because the big team leaders already know how this works. We have summarized it to make it less complicated and simpler. You basically have two legs. On this left side, you've got your level 1 to 10 of affiliates signing up under you. On each and every investment that they make under you at that level, that is the percentage that you're going to get. So if somebody invests directly under me $1,000, I'm going to get that $100 for that investment, as call it a fast start bonus. But if somebody, the third level under me, invest $1,000, I'm only going to get $40 from that. Then, after your downline has invested on their daily trading profits, on the right-hand side, on those levels, I'm going to receive 5% of the trading profit, not 5% of their investment. The left side is investment. Let's say on that $1,000, they make $10 for the day. I will get 5% of that $10. Okay, let me just go. So in the end, it's the left side plus the right side, plus your rewards will give you your total commission. Please admit somebody. Okay, these are just the leveling opening criteria for you personal and your teams. I'm not going to go into detail into that. Like I said, I find that the information is too much, and then in the end, it goes all over people's heads. When we get there and when you get to that point, I will assist you with that, and the teams can assist you. Okay, the deposit and withdrawal rules is very important. When you deposit, it shows instantly. I already mentioned the stacking period, the 90 days stacking or lock-in period. We don't like to use lock-in, but I still use it because most people understand it. That's on investment only. Your profit withdrawals that I've already discussed. You can withdraw your profits, your trading profits, your commissions, as well as your rewards. And then your capital withdrawal, if it's in the 90-day period, but you have an emergency, you can withdraw the whole amount, a portion, but there will be a 28% penalty, like in big industries. Okay, that is the 3 steps then to get started. You would create your account on the link of the person who introduces you. to this. You complete your KYC. It's not a full KYC. There's only name, telephone number, and email so that we can communicate to you. And please, I'm asking, check your emails, check your spams, check the Telegram group. I'm getting individuals wanting me to explain everything that we have explained. They don't watch the replays, they don't read the documents, and they want me to one-on-one, 24/7, explain everything to them. After you created your account, you're going to fund your wallet, and then you're going to purchase a subscription. If you're just going to fund your wallet and you don't purchase a subscription, the money is just going to lie there and the bot is not going to be activated. That's what will happen if you do not activate your bot by purchasing your subscription. I will later show in the live dashboard how to do it so that everybody can see it. This is the first step where you would create your account. It would take you to the screen and you will have your referral code over here from the person. If you don't have it, please insert it. The second step will be to fund your account, but I'll show that live as well. You will choose your coin, your network. It will give you a wallet, and that wallet is the one that you're going to withdraw to from your exchange. Remember to not use the same wallet address more than once. It's a transactional wallet. Otherwise, the team have to search to find your deposit. Over here, then, you would go to subscriptions. You will browse subscriptions. I will show that live as well. And in this stage, you're going to choose the free 30-day subscription. You're going to put on the green toggle so that it will run automatically. Then after 30 days, it's going to go over and it's going to take the 29 flat rate bot fee for all packages. The minimum is 200, no maximum, and it's going to deduct it from your profits and your bot is just going to keep running. Okay, the partner growth ladder, I'm going to go quickly to. Natalie does it in detail. As an entry partner, your requirement is your personal deposit must be $500, your level 1 volume, 2,000, and your team volume, 5,000. Over here, that will give you then $150 cash or trading capital. And for the same, for active partner, the numbers just change. Your personal deposit must be 1,000, level 1, 8,000, 20,000 for the team, and that will then be your reward. These rewards is the rewards that I was talking about when I said you can withdraw them also immediately. On the next level, your personal deposit is 3,000 and your reward is 2,500. Everything is in the documents. I'm not going to read all these. And it goes up to all these levels so that there's for everybody can earn a reward. Whether you're a big team builder or whether you are small, you are able to get to these rewards. For the very big team leaders, they can get to this where their team volumes are 9 million, level 1, 400,000, and their personal deposits 40,000. And where the rewards are 350,000, either cash deposited to the portfolio or a contribution to a vehicle. Until we get to the top residential partner, which is a personal deposit of 150,000. Level 1 is 3 million, team volume 60 million, and the reward is in the region of 2.4 million. That is then, in conclusion, I want to go back to that slide that I said I wanted at the end, in summary. I have found when people ask me to explain the system to them, and some of them have been to Zoom, some have not. Some have not watched the replays. But when I give them this summary over here, it makes it kind of clear. And so I want to end with this slide. It's straightforward. Your investment is locked in, stacked for 90 days. The starting date for current ones was when we migrated from the old system to the new one, which was 1st of February. You can add at any time, But when you add that specific amount and the date of investment is where that amount and date, the 90 days, will start from. If you withdraw early, we understand that there are emergencies. We have them all the time. It's natural. But in that case, there will be a penalty of 28%. You've got a 30-day free bot package, minimum investment of 200, no maximum. After the 30-day free bot package, there's a $29 flat rate monthly bot rate for all investments. Your trading profits, commissions, and rewards are immediately withdrawable. Then I'm just going to jump to this one again. On the left-hand side is your early start bonus. That's the percentage you get on those levels for the investment. On the right-hand side is your recurring commission for your trading profits. So you're going to get 5% on level 1 on daily trading profits. It's immediately available. So let's say you've got a big investor and he makes a big amount, and from his only one trade, you get a $20 profit. You can immediately withdraw that $20 because the minimum withdrawal is $20. You add those two, and that gives you your total compensation plan.